Naghahanap ka pa rin ba ng pre-selling house and lot na fully finished? Ito na ang para sa'yo. Hi guys, it's me again, Ron Idjao, your property consultant. Tara, samahan nyo akong itour ang napakagandang house unit ni Demeterland. This house is called Adelaida Model. It has 3 bedroom and 2 toilet and bath with lot area of 120 square meters and floor area of 100 square meters. Lahat ng doors is naka-mahogany woods na. Naka-cove or drop ceiling na rin, depende sa choice mo. Napakalawak at aliwalas ng kanyang living at dining area dahil tapat lang ito ng lanay area. May built-in kitchen cabinet at naka-double sink na sa kanyang kitchen area. Naka-tiles na ang toilet and bath from floor to ceiling with lavatory and rain or telephone shower. Naka-wooden at transparent glass na din ang handrails. May built-in cabinet na rin ang lahat ng rooms. At naka-cove or drop ceiling na rin, depende sa choice mo. May pre-2 CCTV camera, smoke detector alarm, at fire extinguisher na rin ito. Open for modification ang house unit at may meeting with architect kaya ikaw ang masusunod sa floor plan mo. No spot down payment ito. Available ito via bank and in-house financing. Available din ito sa Cavite, Bulacan, Batangas, Laguna, Pampanga, Pangasinan at Tarlac. If interested ka, PM mo na ako sa aking FB page at i-like at follow mo na rin ako sa aking YouTube, TikTok and Instagram para updated ka sa mga bago kong videos. Thank you!